Hi guys, now I'm gonna guide you how to practice speaking topic number 4. Talk about the usefulness of English. Talk about the usefulness of English. Now listen and repeat after me these phrases. My great honor to be here. My great honor to be here. Gonna share you guys about the usefulness of English. Gonna share you guys about the usefulness of English. Useful, helpful for traveling, helpful for traveling. Many people in the world speak English. Many people in the world speak English. English size. Đọc theo kiểu từ sai xong thêm âm z ở cuối không phải sinh nhé. Một số bạn đã gửi bài cho cô đọc thành sinh. English size, biển báo. English size. Get a bright future. Get a bright future. Get a bright future. Get a bright future. Make friends from different countries. Make friends from different countries. Learn about each other's cultures. Learn about each other's cultures. Learn about each other's cultures. Teach me about holidays. Teach me about holidays. Lunar New Year. Lunar New Year. Improve my English. Improve my English. Ok, cô trò chúng ta cùng nhau vào bài nhé. Hi guys. It's my great honor to be here today. Right now, I'm gonna share you guys about the usefulness of English. You know, learning English is useful. First, knowing English is helpful for traveling. Many people in the world speak English, and most countries have English size. Second, learning English will help me get a bright future. Third, I can make friends from different countries, and we can learn about each other's cultures. They can teach me about festivals that Vietnamese doesn't have. I can also teach them about Vietnamese Lunar New Year. For all these reasons, I will work hard to improve my English. Thank you for listening. Các bạn có thể thêm câu cuối như vậy nhé. Ok, một số từ mới như cô giáo đã hướng dẫn ở bên này, các bạn nghe lại nhiều lần và các bạn sẽ luyện tập cho cô giáo thật trôi chảy và thật chuẩn xác nha. Có một số đặc biệt khó các bạn cần lưu ý này. Great honor, usefulness, helpful, English size, English size, get a bright future, learn about each other's cultures, learn about each other's cultures, teach me about festivals. That's all for today. Bye bye guys.